How to tag someone on WhatsApp status. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, WhatsApp has introduced a new feature where you can mention people in your status. It's really simple, so let's dive right in. First things first, open up your WhatsApp, go to updates on the bottom left, and then tap on add status. Now, choose the photo that you want to add, and then now, in the add a caption bar, you will see at the rate on the right side. Tap on it. From here, you can choose the person that you want to mention and then tap on done. And there you go. The person has been mentioned, but it won't be visible on your story. But the person will be notified that you have mentioned them. And that's it. This is how you tag people on your WhatsApp status. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.